let's make these fluffy and moist orange muffins. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be showing you how to make these yummy orange muffins. They're so delicious. As always, all the ingredients will be in the link in the description below if you want to follow along. This recipe is so easy and simple. You do not need an electric mixer. You just need a wooden spoon or a whisk. You're just gonna add in your oil, your vanilla, eggs and sugar. And then you're also gonna add in your orange juice and you wanna mix till smooth. And this is orange juice straight from the orange. I recommend using fresh orange because you also want the zest. So don't try and use the store-bought orange juice. Then you're gonna add in your dry ingredients, which is your flour, baking powder and baking soda. Mix everything till smooth, and then you're also gonna add in your orange zest. At this point the batter is quite thick, so add in a little splash of milk to loosen it up like this. Once everything is well combined, pour into your lined cupcake pan, and then you're gonna pour it in. Make sure your oven is preheated to 200, but when you bake these muffins, you drop it down to 175. Once they're cooked, pour powdered sugar on top or any glaze of your choice, and enjoy these fluffy, delicious orange muffins. They're perfect for a snack, breakfast, get together, anything that you want, but these are just absolutely delicious and go perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.